Now finally, example 3b, our second example with Descartes' rule of signs. What does Descartes' rule of signs tell you about the roots of p of x equals 14x to the 6th minus 12x to the 5th plus 13x squared minus 5x plus 7? Now again, Descartes' rule of signs tells us something about the number of positive real roots and the number of negative real roots. To figure out our number of positive real roots, we simply count our sign changes between our coefficients. And the nice thing, it doesn't matter if we are missing terms. Okay, if you look here, I have an x to the 6th power, x to the 5th power. I don't have an x to the 4th or x to the 3rd. It doesn't matter. It just matters the coefficients that we see. Okay, start off with a positive 14 as the coefficient. My next coefficient's negative 12, so that's my first sign change. I go from a negative to a positive, so that's my second sign change. I go to a negative, that's my third sign change. And then I go to a positive again. So I have 4 sign changes here. So I could either have this number of sign changes, I could have 4 positive real roots, or an even number less. So my even number's less, I could have either 4, 2, or 0 positive real roots. To figure out my number of negative real roots, I need to imagine we took a negative x and plugged it into our equation. All right, so I would take 14 times negative x to the 6th minus 12 times negative x to the 5th plus 13 times negative x squared minus 5 times negative x plus 7. Simplify and see what the signs of my coefficients are then. Now if I take a negative number to the 6th power, it's going to be a positive number. Okay? Positive 14 x to the 6th. If I take a negative number to the 5th power, this is going to be a negative number. Negative number times negative 12 would be positive 12 x to the 5th. Negative x, negative number squared is going to be positive, so plus 13 x squared. Negative 5 times negative x would be plus 5x, and then plus 7. Now we count up our sign changes. I start off with a positive coefficient. My next coefficient's positive, and then positive, and then positive, and positive. So there are 0 sign changes. Which means there are no negative real roots. So again, no negative real roots, and we have either 4, 2, or 0 positive real roots.